What's up guys, this is KhoPhi here. There is almost an infinite amount of generic products on Jumia when it comes to electronics and even other items. Today I have this item here which is also a generic product. I bought it on Jumia for 86 cedis, which is just about $15, and I'm here to find out whether it is worth buying this Monopod. So let's get right into it. I have here a Monopod. I got it on Jumia for 86 cedis, which is just about $15, and it comes with a bag, which I'm really happy it came with it. I don't know what I was expecting, but I'm happy to have this, something you can just strap on your neck when you're on the go. This is actually what it looks like. Really small form factor. It feels rigid as well and light in weight. The top here has this foamy handle which feels nice, and the top is where you would mount your camera or maybe your light or something of that sort. So I have a light here which I can mount it onto it and use if that is also something. So somebody can be holding this in a simple way and just following along with whatever you're doing, photography, video, or whatever. When you extend it as well, it goes really high. That's the entire length of it, so you can have a fair idea of how long this thing is. Yeah, well, it goes up really high. I think it's just about my height, so that's pretty tall. So I had a chance to put it to use during the KhoPhi Connect meetup that happened over the weekend, and I think I'm pretty impressed with how it feels, how it is steady, and how tall it can go. It's also short enough that I can go low but then be able to put it on the ground and make some pannings and forward movements and all that, and it's pretty nice. I think this is worth buying, and I'm gonna give it a yes. So this Monopod on Jumia, I'm gonna put the link to this generic product on Jumia in the description below, just below the like button, so that you can find out whether it's something you want to also invest in. It's cheap, it was a deal. There are plenty deals happening on Jumia almost every day, so I grabbed this one for 86 cedis and I think it's worth it. Would you like to see videos like these where I review products I get on Jumia and find out whether it's worth buying? You might want to subscribe to this channel for any future episodes, and also let me know in the comment section whether you would like to see more videos like this. Make sure to click the bell icon, and we'll hope to see you in the next video. Bye.